How to download free ebooks from Google legally. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download ebooks from Google legally. So now let's get started. First thing, open up your Google and search for googlebooks.google.com. Now after you search for this, hit enter, and here you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now search for any book that you want. I'm just going to search for market, and there you go. So now, before I tell you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on any view and choose full view. After you do so, go to any documents. You can now here you can choose books, and you can go to time, select time, and after you do so, just find out the book that you want and open it up. So after you do so, here you will see download PDF option. Just tap on download PDF, and after you do so, just make sure that you go through the captcha, and after you do that, you'll be able to download the book. So yeah, this is really simple guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and while this loads, let me remind you again, go down below and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, and also check out more of our content. So let us wait till this loads, and there you go, the book has been downloaded. Now you can make sure that you download this book again by tapping here, and yeah, that is basically all. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.